Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride.
I think it is a V-neck, yeah.
Is it a V-neck? Oh, yeah, V-neck wire. That's right. Regular medium. Oh, did we do 2 V-necks? I can't remember. All I know is it's freezing, people. It's cold out here.
Gotta turn it inside out.
And you have no shoes on.
I got shoes on.
You have lost your mind.
Okay. So do that. And
to the top.
we gotta center it. So
Good and centered. Get it all laid out right. She wants it. Perfect cough.
alright. So we'll do about right here. So you flip it up. And then down. And then I think you flip it like that. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that was right.
You're good. Doing good.
Okay. Okay, if that's the top. Do it like that. Okay.
And one.
Okay.
Just need one, right?
For now.
Yeah.
And then let me think. So then we do like little accordion folds. Oh my gosh, this is so hard because it's so thick.
There's not a lot there. We normally do these on much larger shirts, even though this is a large, it's a women's V-neck large, so that means it's really like the size of a small. Maybe a medium, but I don't know, man. Those are pretty small. It's a women's V-neck large, but it's probably like the size of a regular adult small, I would say. They're pretty tiny. Little ghostesses.
Then you're supposed to do little accordion folds on this little tail here.
Yeah. Twist him on up into a little violin. Fold him on in.
Yeah, if you can.
You can keep him there. Yeah, this is a stiff one here, man. And like I said, it's icy cold out here. Much colder than it should be this far south in March.
I'm telling you.
Well, last year we got no winter at all. hard wheat, and this year we've just gotten pounded with it, man. I think it's almost over. I thought it was already almost over. I thought we were out of it, but it appears we got a whole other week of this mess, so we're almost home free. Of course, it's making us all sick, so because we live in the deep south, people, it normally stays pretty warm here. Peace sign. A peace sign. So you put your other lateral line on there to dictate the inside and outsides of her peace sign. So she has her middle line, her inside line, and her outside line.
And you're going to want to put color on black on these two, and then put your color on the inside there.
Right. That way you get every single piece of your peace sign. Piece of peace.
For the rest of it, we're just going to scrunch.
Nice little classic scrunch.
Haven't done one of these in a long time, so
Been a minute.
I hope it turns out good. But if not, we'll do another one again next week until we get it right.
Yep. It's all good. We're going to start branching out, people. The peace sign is just one of many things to come. We're going to branch into some other new things that we've never done before. To the dine right.
Here, let me draw on the back too, so I know where my lines are.
I know where you're at. Not a bad idea, folks, because you do need to dye both sides.
Okay, there we go. All right, now let's go.
Ah.
Oh, God. Okay, so where is my black? What about this black? That would give me a lot finer point.
It sure would. I think I mixed new black and better black.
I think that's exactly what these little bottles were for, was for this purpose.
They were for a mask, actually, but they do work good for that to shake it really well.
I did.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. I was about to say again.
Yeah, I can't remember if that one's Raven Black or New Black or Better Black. But it's one of them. That'll be alright. But yeah, those little things come in handy, don't they?
They do. Let's see if I can wash some of this black out.
With a little bit of hot pink.
This is dragon fruit.
Sorry. You know, it wouldn't be a Mr. Fix video if I wasn't calling out the wrong colors now, would it?
And let's do a, why don't we do a yellow for the inside?
A yellow.
Like the lemon. I can't get these out.
They're jammed in pretty good. Which one you want?
The lemon.
Once you get that first one, the rest will come with these here. The lemon! Yeah, you might want to give them a little shake. But they are freshly mixed. As I say, this is the hardest one to get because it's on the bottom. There you go. Lemon yellow. I think it had a big hole too, so be careful. If I remember correctly, yeah. Cute. Lemon yellow and dragon fruit. Fruit of the dragon.
Let's go ahead and flip it over and do the back side.
Little more dragon fruit. Got her black outline on there for the peace sign. And one more dragon fruit. A little more lemon lemon yellow. Look at that.
Okay. And then for the scrunch, I'm gonna do, I was thinking purple and like light blue.
Sounds good.
Some
Glacier blue.
lavender.
And some lavender. You might want to spray that black right there just a pinch. If you see, I didn't notice it until just then. For some reason, whenever it ran out into that yellow, it like sucked it out of the white.
Okay.
Look it to the flop.
Trying to find a clean spot on my rack.
A little bit of lavender.
Good God.
Some glacier blue. So, all told, on this one we have lemon yellow, dragon fruit, glacier blue, and lavender. A beautiful peace sign tie-dye tee. Look at that beauty.
Hold on, I see one more spot I need to put a little touch of black on.
No, gotta get all that. A little more lemon yellow.
There we go.
Alrighty.
Alright, now let's go.
To the drying rack.
Okay.
Middle shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.